Guys, it's so freaking obvious where Bitcoin is heading within the next 48 hours. And in this video, I'm literally going to show you guys everything you need to know in order to trade the next big move. Literally, in my last two videos, I was telling you guys that I was starting to turn a little bit bearish on Bitcoin. And guess what just happened for Bitcoin? Bitcoin went down like crazy, over 3%. That was absolutely brutal. Everyone thought that the bull market was over and that the bear market has started again. However, I was right on my prediction again. I literally have been right on every single prediction I've been making on my YouTube channel so far. So yeah guys, that is absolutely insane. And in this video, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what is going to happen in the next 48 hours. I'm going to give you guys my own analysis. But before I do that, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And literally right now the channel is growing absolutely crazy. So thank you so much for joining my community. Then secondly, if you right now want to trade just like me and actually also make money from of my predictions, then you can literally right now go to the first link in the description where you can sign up for Bybit. Bybit is a crypto exchange where you can trade altcoins and Bitcoin, of course. It's the biggest crypto exchange there out in the world. Plus, if you right now go to the first link in the description and sign up with my link, you actually get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. Literally, it says it right here. This is totally legit. Like, it's crazy, but you can literally get up to 30k completely for free by simply right now going to the first link in the description and signing up with my link. We both get a small bonus for signing up, so it's definitely worth it. If you don't use my link, you don't get a bonus at all. So go check it out. So first of all, Bitcoin. We can right now see that Bitcoin saw this massive drop to the downside I was literally predicting. However, my official target, of course, was still 34k because that is still where our CME gap is laying right underneath us, and we still have not filled this up. And this is, in my opinion, quite catastrophic, which could of course cause even more downside. And yes guys, I've already said it, I am still bearish on Bitcoin and I just don't see a reason why we're going up from off this level. This is, in my opinion, just a small bounce, hoping that we get into a somewhat of a bearish trend again. However, if we look at this chart right now, then what are we seeing? We can right now see that we got rejected from off this level right here. Now we can see that we bounced to the downside, and right now we are trading above this massive area of resistance again. We luckily found support at it right here, and right now we're trading above it. However, what happened on this move is quite interesting, because if we look at CoinGlass, then we can see that literally in the last 24 hours over $300 million has been liquidated, which is a lot. We have not seen such big liquidations in a long time. And secondly, we can right now see that the crypto funding rates are also quite starting to turn a little bit negative again and a little bit positive. We're currently just in a consolidation or a neutral area. We can see some are positive, some are negative. However, of course, the last few days, everything was positive and that just got wiped out. And that is why I still think we are going more down. If I look at this chart right here, then we can literally right now see that Bitcoin got back into, with this dump, we got back into this massive bear flag, as you guys can see. And literally that bear flag is still going to break to the downside. We can see we found perfect support. It's crazy how perfect this support is, and it's also crazy how perfect this resistance is currently acting, because we can right now see that on this 2-hour candle we are literally facing massive resistance. And that is why I think that literally when you're watching this video, there is a crazy big chance that we are going to drop to the downside of this massive bear flag literally right now, or at least towards this level again. Literally, if you're right now watching this the second it came out, and that's why you need to turn on post notifications, they can even of course take a small trade with a stop loss just above it. And this is a really good trade with a nice risk to reward ratio, which could definitely play out. Of course, you can take it over on Bybit, where you can claim some free money you can use for this trade, so go check it out. Then furthermore, Bitcoin is literally right now still running into this massive area of resistance, and this is right now the consolidation area we are in. This is the top side and this is the bottom side. The second we break the bottom side, which is of course right here, that is when we're going to drop even further to the downside, potentially to 25k again. However, I don't think that's going to happen. The second we touch 31k, we're most likely going to see a massive bounce to the upside. However, we are right now also at massive resistance at 37k. So the second we touch 37k, I am expecting that Bitcoin is going to go down to 31k, somewhere around that level. However, we also got a Bitcoin spot ETF. So the second that comes out, of course, we are going to break 38k. However, now for the next couple of days, I'm expecting some more downside, simply because Bitcoin just flipped us from a gigantic uptrend, of course, we've been creating for a really long time right now, to our first lower low we are potentially right now creating, and I'm quite certain that this is going to be a lower low, simply because we are literally running into gigantic resistance over at the bear flag. So in my opinion, Bitcoin is right now still going to go down from off this level, and my first target is still going to be just around the 34k level, because that is where we have massive support right here, and that is literally still where we have this CME gap playing. So that's everything I have for you guys right now. I know I didn't make a video yesterday because straight up nothing was happening, but of course later that night we saw a massive drop to the downside, just like I was predicting, which was really nice. So guys, that being said, I would really appreciate it. Again, if you right now go to the first link in the description, sign up for a private account using my link, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you guys tomorrow in my next YouTube crypto analysis video.